Catherine.
Get it.
Come on, Deanna, get it.
Get it. Into the legs. Get it.
Come on, baby, you gotta catch it.
Get it. Go, go, go.
Get it, get it, get it.
Oh, Antonio, you go stick it.
It's behind you.
Catherine, put on my leg or something. Get it, baby, get it, get it, get it.
Almost. Almost. You almost got it.
Antonio, can you pull that?
We do this every night. She'll be good.
Yeah.
It's a mean shape.
Backfire.
Oh, you had it. You were so close.
Get it, get it, get it, get it.
You're so close. Stop it. Stop it.
Good girl.
Hey, Rob, in 2 years you'll be swimming with your nephew.
Oh, absolutely.
Doing silly
I
stuff.
can't wait till I'm able to do that.
How's she feeling? Oh, okay. Rob, how's she feeling?
She's doing pretty good. Yeah, she's 3 centimeters dilated, so it's like any day now, pretty much.
Yo, this is hysterical.
It was April 1st, but I think it's gonna be before that. So.
Yeah.
Get it, baby, come on, come on.
She can see it's 360 all the way.
Yeah, she's been in tube for a while.
Yeah.
So I don't know. They were saying that she's definitely gonna be before the due date, though. Like, it was the April 1st due date they initially set out. Yeah, so we're all excited. We're just playing the waiting game. You know how it is.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Just the first one is.
Yeah.
It's the daughter.
It's Antonio, where's the wheel?
It's on Grandma. It's on Grandma. Get it, baby.
Just watch that.
Grandma, get it off.
He's trying to pick it off himself. I'm good. How are you?
Yo, this is the funniest thing ever. Come here. She's taking the laser light and
Take it off you. It's on you.
She's trying to catch it. It's funnier than watching a dog do that. She was going around on all fours, going around in a circle trying to catch
I love
it.
when they both get into it.
Yo, this is hysterical.
It's on you. Look, on your arm.
Yeah, put the cap on. Put a hammer.
You're gonna hit me with a lawnmower.
Yeah, I'm gonna check the video like this. Look at the bug.
Sorry, that guy.
Yeah.